Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in-depth reviews of today's hottest products. Today, we're diving into the Giraffe Tools Hose Reel, touted as one of the best retractable hose reels on the market. Let's find out if it lives up to the hype. The Giraffe Tools Hose Reel is designed for garden enthusiasts looking for convenience and durability. It features a robust build with a 78-foot hybrid hose that's both flexible and abrasion-resistant. What sets this apart is its ability to lock at any desired length, giving you control over your watering needs without the hassle of tangled hoses. Now, let's talk about its standout features. First off, the auto rewind system. Simply give the hose a gentle tug, and it effortlessly retracts back into place. No more wrestling with messy coils or kinks. The reel is also equipped with a unique guiding system that ensures smooth and tidy hose retraction every time. In terms of build quality, the Giraffe Tools Hose Reel doesn't disappoint. It's constructed from durable polypropylene and has been rigorously tested to withstand up to 200 psi of pressure and 600 psi of bursting pressure. This means you can count on it to handle tough outdoor conditions for years to come. Installing the Giraffe Tools Hose Reel is a breeze. Thanks to its 180-degree swivel bracket, mounting it on the wall is straightforward and allows for convenient hose maneuverability. The quick release system also makes it easy to detach the reel for winter storage or repositioning around your garden. To wrap things up, if you're in the market for a reliable and user-friendly hose reel, the Giraffe Tools Hose Reel should definitely be on your radar. Its durable construction, ease of use, and thoughtful design make it a standout choice for any gardening enthusiast. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on products that matter to you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.